To connect Redmi Buds 6 Active with iPhone, first of all you will have to open this charging case with both earbuds inside, and then you will have to click and hold this button, which is located on the right side on the charging case, and you will have to wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly with a white color. Now we can release, keep that case open. On your iPhone you will have to start by opening the settings, go into the Bluetooth, then simply turn it on, and from other devices select Redmi Buds 6 Active. Now as you can see we are successfully connected, and right now you can just start using your device, but also you can download the Xiaomi earbuds application, so you'll actually get some features. So click to open. After you install it, read and agree to this Xiaomi earbuds user agreement. If you did it, click agree in the right bottom corner. Right here you can choose your region, so you can change it. Click next, and then click next in the right bottom corner for the few times and accept allow. Now we should actually get automatic connection just like this. As you can see, here we are. And yeah, that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.